is a Beldray Airgility Cordless 22.2 volts of mediocre but good value suction power. And we have a machine and a paper bag here. And the reason that we have this machine is I was just told it just wasn't working. You turn it on and it would last for like a second and turn off and yada yada yada. All the normal cordless stuff. But I didn't turn it on when the lady was here, which was a bit stupid, but I have now, and I'm wondering if we need to look somewhere else. Have a listen. Doesn't strike me as a dead battery or something like that. I think we need to work out why this thing wants to die and see if we can stop it and work out what is going on with, I imagine, the motor. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? You join me straight onto the dirty carpet because I imagine we're going to need. Apparently, they've had another battery put in it under warranty, and they've also bought from, I would imagine, these people here, like some chargers. There's one here. There's one here with some adapters on it, and I'm pretty sure that we don't really need to look into these at all because it turns on and it tries to run. Problem is something is stopping it. So what I probably should have done first is work out how the heck to get into this thing, because I don't actually know, haven't quite got that far. You come out. Oh, look at that. Hello. There's a filter there. You come out, and then, well, the screws come from the top, so it's obviously not that. Really, we have to go quite hardcore, I think, folks. This bin on this Airgility 22.2 volt is screwed in from the top. Oh my goodness. Right, I'd imagine we need to have a look under that Beldray cap. I don't think we will look under that cap first, you know. If our experience has taught us anything, it's that we should probably just undo all of these screws and pull the housing apart and just see what happens, because I've seen it before where it is all integrated, and this is such soft plastic. I'm just going to chew it all up if we start yeeming on it with a screwdriver. Right, well, we got 3 screws out, the rest should follow, but the problem is this top piece here isn't letting go. It should do though, come on. I don't want to go breaking it too much until we know it's scrap at least. Well, there's one. Oh, there's one left in the handle, but I can't imagine that was causing it to not. Oh my goodness. Ugh. A horrible thing, even with every single screw out, you can't get to it. What's this down here? I thought there was a button down there. A release rod. No, there's not. I'm going to poke at this until something falls apart. Some frustration later, you have to pull this part up, and then you can see the hidden screw under there. And then with 2 more at the front under here, I've got this far, and we're back to knowing the same amount as each other about this. So we'll pop this off. In fact, if we just slide out the battery contacts, are you going to just slide out battery contacts? Yeah. We can dispose of this entire side of here. Then, so we have switch there. This fell out. We should be able to work it out, and then this side comes off as well, and we're back to this part here. Screwed it from the top, and I've still not managed to work it out. This thing does move, but not not as I'd like. It's far too difficult for my liking, and yeah, there's no more screws really to see. I don't know, back when I've had a bit of a poke around. Yeah, when I say always trust your instincts. Well, underneath the top Beldray cap are the two screws holding this on. I knew it was screwed on. You can tell, never just lean on stuff until it snaps, because you snap these two screw posts off, and then, yeah, look, that just pops off like that. So, we have foam filter, outer cage. Oh my goodness, 4 more screws. I should have got the drill out, really. I think we will do if it goes back together. They're all the same size screw, so that's fine. And already I can see a really teeny tiny motor, folks. Probably not worthwhile putting it into a shark, although you could. Last screw here, and I don't know what's going to lift up this whole plastic bit. And wow, look, there's literally a tiny little motor on there, and it's full of plaster dust, but it does spin. Yes, we're going to have a little look at it and see what's making it not happy. Some time has passed. I have tried a few things, but unfortunately no, even sort of in bits. I mean, actually I can take this piece off, but this is how you have to have it together. Our little motor is absolutely fine. It's either the battery, and this is the second new battery that they've had. I'm not going to start poking my multimeter around it, because A, those terminals are tiny, B, you know, this is it really. I can't really decide what to do about it. Even the battery indicator seems to dictate it's got a full charge, so there's not even much point probing those power chargers there. Unfortunately, this is the problem with these cheaper machines. Bit of a shame really, because I was hoping that we could get into that and clean this disgusting and pretty not great brush roll up. This is the same sort of brush roll that the Greenote has, the Greenote GSE 40. And yeah, typical Beldray, cheapy. But we don't get to see any of that because, yeah, unfortunately, this is just another bin fodder machine. We can get so close, but yet we are so far. But I thought you'd like to see it anyway. You'd like to see these sort of things. Have you had any cordless failures? Have you had any Beldray failures? I guess this makes up for the amazing luck we had with the Beldray roller cordless. Luckily, this isn't my machine, and the lady wasn't sure if it was worth fixing. I did say I would have a look and, you know, let her know, because no point in spending a lot of money on this machine when you can just go and buy a new one for probably less price than another new battery. Just throw at the problem and hope it works. Hey ho, we tried. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. And I, and probably another Beldray vacuum cleaner of some description, will see you soon. Bye bye.